How cool would it be to try like unlimited styles of color grading for your image in no time? So this is what you can do with gradient maps, and in this tutorial I want to show you how to set it up. Hi and welcome back to another tutorial. This time I want to talk a bit about colors and color grading. So I discovered this method recently that I wanted to share with you, and it all starts with a gradient adjustment layer. So just apply that to your image. And if you're not familiar with the concept of gradients or gradients that you would use for grading, you can see here with this black and white gradient what it actually does to your image. So all the darker values in the image will be applied with a black color, and the brighter values will be white. So if you change this middle gray slider, you can actually see how the gradient works and what it does to your image. So if you would use a color, like here in the presets we have lots of colors, mostly two colors. You can see the blue color is applied to the darker areas and the purple color is applied to the brighter areas. And if we set our gradient map to soft light and we decrease the opacity, you can see we can actually get a quite decent grading from it. So and the nice part about this, if you change the type here to noise, and obviously this looks very bad now because there's lots of colors in this gradient, so it's a bit too rough, but we can decrease the roughness here, and I would recommend something like 8%. So we basically get back to two main colors that are represented. And now you can see the actual power of this tool with this randomize button here. So you get multiple endless variations of different gradients, and yeah, let's come back here and let's restrict that to the colors only, so that it doesn't affect the luminosity. But now if you hit the randomize button, you can see it's so cool because you can try out like infinite grading styles in no time, and you get this visual feedback and also save presets. So if you give it a name and hit the new button, you can, if you find something that you like, you can always save it as a preset, and later on we can apply it to a different image. And yeah, and then you can come back and use this randomize button, which is so cool, I think, because yeah, you can try out warmer tones for your image, a cooler palette, and you get this live feedback, and without having to think too much about it, just try out different color palettes and grading styles. And also, if you work in a series of images and you have multiple images, you can save a certain specific style and apply it to your images. So now if we open up another image and we just use this gradient adjustment layer, and now we can select our previously saved preset. Of course we can also put it in a group, and now of course we need to change the blending mode to soft light, and here you go. So now we have the same style applied here for this image, and we can also always come back and hit the randomize button again. So maybe we want to have a more warmer palette, and yeah, I think this is actually pretty powerful when finding the right colors or when grading your image. So I just wanted to share it with you. Let me know in the comments what your way of grading looks like. and it would help me a lot if you subscribe to this channel, leave a like, and yeah, see you in the next tutorial, guys. Bye.